So recently, I put a new exhaust and air intake on my Honda Shadow. Now this new intake came with a new main jet, but with that installed, we were running lean, so needless to say,
I took a 1/16 inch drill bit and drilled that mammer jammer out.
And as you can tell by the spark plugs, she's running a bit rich. So I ordered an assortment of new main jets off Amazon, chugged my favorite can of energy, and got to work. With the new main jet installed, I fiddled with the air-fuel mixture screw a little bit, and took it for a test ride.
Alright, so I'm pretty sure I got this sorted out. I think it's good enough for now, at least. So that's the factory pilot jet, air-fuel mixture screw, 2.5 turns out, and we went with a 140 main out of our cheap Chinese kit. Let's see how she does. So as far as like low and mid-range goes, she seems fine. This is why I thought about messing with the pilot jet, and I was like, the heck with it. Seems to be alright, at least for now. Let's get her wide open. Well, I think it's safe to say she's not hesitating anymore. She's probably still a little rich because 140 still seems kind of big, but I mean, I guess the best way to tell that is going to be plugs. So I still got that dirty set in there. I cleaned them up as best I could. She seems to pull fine though. She's a lot more fun, that's for sure. Or funner. I don't know what's the correct term. Now to putting on this air intake exhaust and rejetting this thing, turn it into some sort of speed demon drag race machine. No. It was a bit more spirited though. I'm about to spirit myself into the back of this freaking Sierra if I ain't paying attention. And in case you guys missed it and you're curious about exactly what exhaust I actually put on this bike, you can check that video out right here. And until next time, y'all, be good. See you.